on site with another lawn renovation we're working on. This gentleman has centipede grass, and it's not in ideal conditions for this type of grass. He's got a large tree here that's grown up over the years, and it's putting too much shade on the centipede, which likes full sun. So what we're doing here is we're going to take all this centipede sod out. The first thing we're doing is, you can see there, we're using a tiller, and it is a gas tiller. Unfortunately, all of our mowing equipment, most of our equipment's electric, but we are limited by what technology is available right now. So we do use a gas tiller to till up the old grass and rake it all out. But this gentleman also had some very large shrubs in this area, and this was a big bed, and it was taking up most of the front yard. So we ripped those out, and we're going to turn that all into to the front yard for him, and then make a nice little mulch bed over here that's much smaller than it was before. But this is the first step in our process of renovating this lawn. After we get all this old grass out and raked out, we're going to put down about an inch layer of topsoil, and then we're going to put in our brand new St. Augustine sod. So it's going to look very nice. It's going to be much better for these conditions. It's going to handle the shade much better, and the customer should be very happy with the result.